That's the girl, right?
Haven't you done this before?
I've done it twice.
Once.
No, I did it once here and once at your apartment.
Oh, alright.
Alright, here's what's going to happen. Alright? I'm going to get a big balloon and Ginger's going to, not hard, just squeeze, okay? Put your hands on and squeeze, alright? And the balloon's going to lose air and go all over the room. And then I'm going to come over and Lucy's going to do it, okay?
Wait, let's clear the path.
But you do it easy. Pop's fragile. And once each. Okay? Ready? We ready?
He's
I have to get a big balloon.
It's on camera.
Dick.
Mommy, not taking any pictures?
Pop blew himself out of the
Out of
room.
the room.
Oh wow.
She's so concerned.
Oh, she is.
Maybe that was bad.
Maybe that was a bad thing.
Whoop, don't bump into each other.
Maybe that was a bad